Is it recording?
Nope.
I feel much better now.
Is it recording?
This is INSP.
Alright.
What's INSP?
I do not. This is not an ordinary chicken bone. This is a used chicken bone. Maybe Jay ate it. Maybe Chris ate it. But I'm eating it now. The bone.
I'm eating it.
Chris or Jay eat the meat, and I'm eating the bone.
You always get the leftovers.
But you know what?
You like it.
I do. You're goddamn right. I don't give a fuck.
Here's another one for you to eat.
I can't do another one, I'm sorry, man.
It's all